Hi guys, Fred Tittenser with Valley Implement Company. I'm going to address just a thing we run into quite a bit on articulating units or also front axles. On these pivoting tractors, if you look over here, you will find that we run into a situation very often where we need to go in and rebuild these. There's just so much play in these, and we have a line boring device. I'll show you on a picture a little bit how that works. It's so noisy, but we bolt it on here, and if you come over here and look, you can actually see how we're able to go in and rebuild these and put fresh pins in. So if you got a lot of slop in an articulating tractor, in an articulating wheel loader, or on a front end, or on loader pins, we've got a great system to go in and fix these for you. These are part of our winter service projects. Our team can absolutely help you out with these. All of our locations have the ability to do this, and fixing articulating tractors, fixing wheel loaders, and fixing pins on loaders is a big business for us in the winter. So if our service departments can be of assistance to you, we're Valley Implement, Preston, Idaho, Grace, Idaho, Logan, Utah, Tremont, Utah. Thank you.